Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vishal Ranjan Nayak. I am currently pursuing BTech Computer Science in Siviraman Global University. In my recent days, we were being trained for AI/ML and deep learning strategies. Using these kind of knowledge, I built a BBC News classifier with the help of Queen's University, Mr. Parth Chatterjee, who was our trainer, and with the help of Siviraman Global University. Without wasting time, let's directly go into the code and see what is being going on there. So, as you can see, this is the code. So, let's first start with our importing libraries. The libraries which are being installed and imported in this folder or code or file, those are for data handling, we are using pandas and numpy. For text processing, we are using NLTK and RE. For word embeddings, we are using Jensen's and Word2Vec. For machine learning, we are using sklearn. And for neural network, we are using TensorFlow.keras. Now, after that, we need to download the NLTK resources from which we are downloading NLTK download, functab, stopwords, and words.net. Func tab is being used for tokenizing, stopwords for common English stopwords, and WordNet for limmatization. After that, over here, we loaded the dataset. We took the path of the file which we already uploaded on Google Colab. After that, after we read the CSV file, now we need to combine the body and the title. This is where we do it. After that, we need to pre-process the text. This is where we are pre-processing the text. Using the function def preprocess and text, we will just pass in the text over here. We will slowly learn about it. In this pre-processing, we are doing, what are we actually doing? We are actually converting lowercase, removing punctuation, tokenizing, remove stopwords, keep only alphabet words less than two chars. Chars means characters, then limmatizing words. After that, we applied all of it here. df tokens, df text, apply preprocess. Preprocess is the function. This is the function. We are providing text over here. Whatever the text would be there in our data set, it would get preprocessed over here. After that, we are training word-to-vec model with more epochs and sizes. Here, as you can see, vector size 200, each word is represented as 200 dim vectors. Min is equal to 2, ignores rare words. Epoch 30, more training passes for better embeddings. After that, we need to generate average embedding for each article. And how we are going to do it? We are doing it with get avg embedding tokens. It calculates the average vector for each article using tokens. After that, in this function, df embedding df tokens apply get average embeddings. It also filters out rows where no valid vectors were found. Then, then we are preparing the training data. X, as you can see this X, it's 2D numpy array for article embedding. Y, encoded in labels for labels as in the categories of our news categories, like genre of the news. After that, we are training and testing the data. This is where we are going to do it. And the sentence or the function which you would write for it is xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest, train test split would be getting imported from here. As you can see, sklearn selection import train test model. After that, we are training the model over here. First, after training the classifiers, first classifier which we are using is random forest with more trees, as you can see. Logistic regression with regularization, SVM with linear kernel. After that, we are training a neural network. As we were being trained about neural networks and deep learning in our past days, and hence we are doing neural improved neural network classification over here. So after that, here, as you can see, we are having NL compile optimizer Adam loss spare category spare sparse categorical cross accuracy for matrix accuracy. After that, after that, over here, over let me just find it out for you. Over here, yeah, in improved neural networks, you must be having doubt what is ReLU and all. Actually, ReLU is dense layout activation. After that, batch normalization and dropout to prevent overfit. We use even softmax for multi-class classifications. After that, we are evaluating the functions over here. As you can see, evaluation of this is for, let me just see. This is where we are evaluating the models. This is where we are evaluating the models, and these are the accuracy score of different models. After this, we are taking a new article which won't be present in our classifier or for which our classifier won't be trained. That means we are just taking another news article to check if it is predicting the correct prediction or not. For that, as you can see, we are having these prediction scores for random forest, for logistic regression, as well as SVO and neural networks too. With all of it, when we took another article which is new, not present in the dataset, we gave this heading of the news, such as Lady Dawn Zakira arrested from Chelapur murder case. After seeing all these, like title and even the body, our network predicted it completely correctly as to be crime. This is how our classifier, our model is working. And not only this, we even think what are the future scopes of it. So as you guys already know, we are we are using multi-label classifiers. Currently, the model assumes each article belongs to only one category. In reality, articles may span multiple topics, converted into multiple labels, classification problem using sigmoid activation in the final layer, and active learning, multilingual support, topic modeling, integrations, continuous learning. These are all examples of future scopes in this particular BBC News classification. Thanks a lot. And by here, I want to conclude my project. Thanks a lot. Thank you.